This is a 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. It features a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a low-tire pressure indicator, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather and alloy steering wheel trim, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, OnStar, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has fewer than 6,000 miles on the odometer. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Sunbury Motor Company is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 943 North 4th Street in Sunbury.